Hi, hello everyone. Once again, you're welcome. In today this video, I want to tell you how can you practice English daily. So today our topic is how can we practice English daily? What kinds of things we should do? So every day we should do what? Listen to practice. Speaking practice. If you have no any English speaking partner, then you have to practice alone. So in this time, I'm making video. I'm doing practicing. This is my practice. Also, whenever I get time, I watch English content. It is the listening, watching, the what. It is the also it's called practice. You can do writing. You can do speaking, listening. So we have to do every day. If you want to learn this language, then you have to do this thing. If you do not do, then how can you learn this language? You have to do. Definitely, you will learn new things. You will get new experience every day if you do practice. I do every day. In this time, I'm making video. It's my practice time, practicing time. So I'm making video every day. I'm thinking that I should make one video. That's why I'm making a video. Such like you have to do this thing means you have to do speaking practice. If you don't have partner, then don't think about the partner. You can speak English imagination through. How can you imagine? Means you think anything. Suppose that you think you have to think about what any mountain, hill. You imagine, wow, what a beauty of that nature. Looks so greeny. Such type practice you have to do in mindly. In mind, you have to bring some images, whatever you are seeing, whatever you are observing, looking. So you have to experience just. If you do this kind of practice, you will definitely learn new things. All video, I tell that whenever I go to any place, I do speaking practice. Whatever object I see, I try to speak. What happens if we try to speak this kind of thing? Whatever we find the environment, what object we find that, then our what conversation is practice is going on. So such type of practice I do. So if you have any partner for learning this language, it is good for you because you can do practice. Before time I used to have a partner, so I used to talk to him every day. I used to talk at least 20 minutes, 30 minutes, someday 1 hour because I wanted to learn. Also, that person wanted to learn, so both were practicing that time. So just really I was enjoying every day. I was sharing our thought, our experience about this language, and that person also was exchanging his experience. So this kind of practice I was doing, and nowadays I'm thinking that I should practice different kinds of. Before time I was what with any person, and this time I'm thinking that I should practice reading practice alone. It is the way, if you read anything alone, then you can catch many things. If you read anything in group, means there noise, so you can't learn more things. That's why I'm thinking that I will make solo video, alone video. Then after my student will increase, means many students will come. Then I will make different types of video, speech video, conversation video, different video. I want to show in my YouTube channel. So in future, it's my planning. If I visit any place, then I will make vlogs in English shortly. So I have some project for future. So every day I'm thinking that when it come, but I'm waiting that for that day. That day, really, that day will be for me so amazing because I have lots of dream for completing. So I definitely in this life I will complete because without dream, anyone's life is not nothing. So every person should have some dream. I know that every person has some dream. Also, I have some dreams. So at last, I want to say that you every day you have to practice is whatever your interest. According to your interest, you have to practice. I do according to my interest practice. Whenever I wake up, then I think something and try to speak that time something. Whenever I go, so I do thinking practice, speaking practice, whatever I see that time. So every day my practice is going on. Whenever I get time, so I read some story books, any grammar rules I learn. So every day I find new things if I read. So you have to do practice every day. Don't escape any day. If you do escape one day, then you will miss one day for learning anything. So we have to use our time proper way. Whatever we do, but try to do in English. If we do in English, means if we make self environment in self environment in around, so it would be better. So every day you have to try. Also I'm trying. Never give up your journey of learning English. This video is made for like you are beginner and intermediate level. In this time, many person are confusion what to do, but you have to do continue practice, 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 practice. Only last thing is practice. You have to do practice whatever according to your choice. You have to do practice. I do practice according to my choice. Someone will suggest me to you should do this, but it's not for me. It is task. I will go through my own way. You know, every person has some different kinds of skill to absorb anything. That's why I'm going in my way. I will practice every day. I don't want to skip any day. So okay, next time I will tell you new things. Till now, bye.